Ladies and gentlemen, as we climb out of Berlin, please note the cabin has the fasten seatbelt sign turned on. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened at all times during the flight when the seatbelt sign is turned on. It's a good idea to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. Take care when opening up overhead compartments contents when you have shifted during takeoff. We'd like to welcome on board of Mileage Plus members. If you'd like to join Mileage Plus, our frequent flyer program, please visit our website, united.com, to sign up. Lavatories are located throughout the aircraft. Customers are required to use the lavatory assigned to the cabin in which you are ticketed. Congregating around lavatories and galleys during the flight is not permitted. The business first lavatory is located in front of row 1. Main cabin lavatories are located in front of row 7 and behind row 39. Once cruise altitude has been attained, we'll pass through our meal and beverage service. We offer a variety of soft drinks and juices, as well as beer, wine, and mixed drinks. For complete listing, consult your Hemispheres magazine. In United Economy, beer is available for $6. We have cocktails, wine, and sparkling wine available for $7. We accept most major credit cards and debit cards for payment. At the conclusion of meal services, duty-free sales will be offered. A copy of this brochure can be found in your seat pocket. We offer duty-free one time during today's flight. Please plan accordingly. During the later part of flight, we'll provide documentation you will need for arrival to the United States, and prior to landing, a snack will be served. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.